Hey, let me show you 16 the best features of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And first of all, we are going to start from the camera function, which is called Best Take. It was actually in the previous version in the Pixel 8, but now when you open the Google Photos and go into the collections and open your camera, and let's say that you actually take the photos of yourself a few times, like I did, and now when you pick the photo and click on the edit, you can go into the tools, which is located here, and now we get options to change the faces. So it's very useful for the group photos. Now we have to wait a few moments and I'm going to show you how it works. There we go, we have to click on the face of someone and now we are able to actually switch the faces. So we have to actually take multiple photos, and now if someone actually closed eyes or there's something other issue in the photo, we can actually change it with this feature and then we can click done. Next, we can also find here the save folder, which is located right here, and you can basically lock your data. So we will start from this screen, and here is the save folder. You can set pin or pattern, and you can input here your photos, videos, audio files, documents, wherever you have. And this year there's also the camera pro mode available, so when you go into the photo mode and click here, now we get access into the brightness, shadows, white balance, focus, shutter speed and ISO level. So in the other phones, I mean in the previous version like 8, 7, 6, they didn't actually give us access into the pro mode, but right now on the Pixel 9 we can finally get it. And there's another option in the camera, the Add Me feature, and I'm going to quickly show you what it actually does. When you click on the preview, there we go. As you can see, when we don't have a tripod or another person to take a photo of us, we can use this feature Add Me to combine the two photos so we can be included. So that's a really cool option. Now we can also add here the multiple users. So when you go into the system and go into the multiple users, it works like, you know, in the Windows PC or MacBook, that you can just simply create another user and share your phone space, and you will have the different, you know, setup for the home screen, apps, settings, just everything. In this phone we can also find the back gestures, so it's available here, the quick tap, and now we can select whatever you want to do. When you double tap on the Google logo, you can, for example, take the screenshots, turn on the flashlight, or open your favorite application. Right here we can also find the live translate, which is available here, but also it's working for the Google Translate. And now you'll have to click on this conversation mode. You can say something in English and now it will be, and now it will be like automatically translate into the second language, and now this second person can actually start speaking. Hola, me llamo David.
Hello, my name is David.
Yeah, but also we can use this into the Gemini AI if you want, but I highly recommend to use Google Translate because I just get used to it. Now we can also find here the lock screen shortcuts, which are available here, so we can, for example, quickly mute your phone or access the camera. But also we can customize all of these shortcuts by going into the settings. You will have to go for wallpaper and style. Be sure that you select the lock screen, and here you can change the shortcuts. You can turn them off or switch them. You can get the QR code scanner, video camera, Google Wallet, flashlight, the do not disturb mode, and for the right one it just looks the same. Next, I want to show you that in this smartphone we can find the high refresh rate. So we can set 120 Hz for smooth scrolling experience. Of course, you can turn it off to get 60 Hz, and also we can find here the full resolution. There we go. So we can switch it into full and the high. With the full, you will get the best viewing experience. Right now we are navigate for the now playing, which will be located in the lock screen settings. And this function allows you to identify songs playing nearby. So once you actually turn it on and add the search button on the lock screen, you can just simply turn on your lock screen, and if there's like any music around, you'll find the name of this song right here. Now we can also recover deleted files. When you go into the storage, we can open trash. And now if you input something, if you delete something from your phone, then you've got 30 days to actually recover this data in this place. We can also find here the wireless power sharing. So what does it mean? When you turn it on, you can place something on the back of this phone and it will start charging like earbuds or second smartphone. When you go into the notifications, we can also find the flash notifications. So you can get, for example, the camera flash notifications, which look like this. It's useful when, for example, you mute all of the notifications, you put your phone on the flat surface, but you still want to get information about these notifications. So this flashlight will actually announce you that there's some incoming notifications, but also we can get it for the screen. So your screen will actually flash. You can change even the color of this. There it is. And the last two options, this first one will be option to cast the screen. So right here we can find the screen casting. You can share your phone to your TV, for example. And we can also find here VPN, which is completely free. This is the VPN by Google. And yeah, that will be all. Or maybe I just forget about the last function that will be available in the safety and emergency. This is the satellite SOS, but currently it's only working for United States. So probably in the future they are going to allow us to use this in other regions, but right now it's only for the United States. But if you are from the United States, I believe that this is like really useful to turn it on. And that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.